amazing ways to use apple cider vinegar for beautiful skin. Scientific studies have concluded that apple cider vinegar has numerous health benefits. In particular, it has been found that cider vinegar is best solution to treat a wide range of skin conditions. Generally, vinegar has been used for centuries for various cooking and household purposes. But is apple cider vinegar good for your skin? Yes, apple cider vinegar can do wonders for your skin. It has so many benefits. It can be good for you as it contains good concentration of beneficial nutrients. This works by restoring the proper pH levels of the skin, and the beta carotene helps to counter the future skin damage. Here are some tips. If you are struggling from pimples, then use apple cider vinegar for best results. Due to its antibacterial and antifungal elements, this helps in keeping the skin pores bacteria and dust free. To prepare a good mixture, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of water. Mix both of them to form a solution. Dip a cotton ball in the solution and apply on affected area. Leave it for 10 minutes until it gets dried. Now wash your skin with cool water. You can use the solution twice or thrice a day. Apple cider vinegar as a skin toner. Apple cider vinegar has astringent properties which helps in increasing blood flow to the skin and minimizes the pores. It also helps to regulate the pH level of the skin. Direction. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Now add 2 spoons of water. You can add a few drops of essential oils. Mix all to form a solution. Apply on skin and leave it for 10 minutes until it gets dried. Now wash your skin with cool water. You can use the solution twice or thrice a day. How to use apple cider vinegar to remove wrinkles. Apple vinegar has all the 4 hydroxyl acids which help in removing the dead cells. Direction. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a bowl. Apply on affected area and leave it for 30 minutes until it gets dried. Now wash your skin with clean cold water. You can use this solution twice or thrice a day for 6 weeks. How to use apple cider vinegar to exfoliate your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar soothes the skin. Directions. Pour some apple cider vinegar in a bathtub of warm water. Be in the tub for 15-20 minutes to allow the essential elements to get soaked into your skin. This will help balance pH level of your skin, preventing it from being too oily or too dry. Consuming apple cider vinegar in permissible limits can have magical effects for your skin. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.